Welcome to a new video from SoftechOnline on the power of AI in marketing. AI is a buzzword that can revolutionize the way businesses operate. In marketing, AI can analyze customer data and make data-driven decisions. AI can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and personalized marketing messages. AI is a branch of computer science that creates machines that perform tasks requiring human intelligence. AI can recognize speech, understand natural language, make decisions, and solve problems. The goal of AI is to create machines that learn from experience and perform tasks too difficult or time-consuming for humans. AI can analyze customer data and make data-driven decisions. AI-powered tools can predict customer behavior, make personalized product recommendations. By automating repetitive tasks, marketers can save time and focus on more strategic activities. AI can identify patterns and trends that would be difficult or impossible for humans to spot. This information can be used to make more informed marketing decisions and create more targeted campaigns. AI can personalize marketing messages and optimize advertising campaigns. By analyzing customer data in real time, AI can create personalized product recommendations and adjust marketing messages to better suit the needs and preferences of individual customers. AI has the potential to transform the way businesses operate, and its impact on the world of marketing is only just beginning. By using AI-powered tools, marketers can gain valuable insights into customer behavior and create more effective campaigns that drive results. However, human creativity and intuition will always be necessary to create truly impactful marketing campaigns. Hope you are satisfied with this video.